Good evening, people! So, our bag is ready. Tcharan! Katapos ko lang maglaba mga langga. So, tinapos ko lahat ng aking labahan dahil bukas ng umaga ang ating flight. Ayan. So, magkikita na naman po kami ng aking Palmers. So, yun guys. So, see you tomorrow. So pagod. Ayan, ready na yung aking maleta. Nanghiram ako ng maleta ng aking alaga. Ayan, so ano lang yun siya, mga langga, 15. Wala lang yun sa 15. Andyan ko lalagay yung aking mga everything. Ayan, at ito pa ay bag, mga damit. So ako mga langga, wala na rin ako masyadong labahan. I think 5 bisan lang. So yun, that is for today's video guys. See you tomorrow. Ready na tayo guys. See you later. Hi vlog.
No. Hi boss.
Hi vlog. Landed safe guys. Thank you. So, pupunta na kami sa carousel guys. Carousel number 12. Ang aming bagahe ay nandoon. So, ang layo pala ng lalakaran dito guys. Sobrang layo. Dito na tayo sa Thailand guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng airport nila dito guys. Ang ganda ng airport nila. just like Makati.
Makati would be nicer.
Or just like BGC.
Tomorrow.
What about here?
That's what we're saying tomorrow.
Ganda dito Malangga. Parang BGC. This is BGC but it's better than the BGC. Oh, there's a lot of nice building. See that? Beautiful. Hindi na natin explore ang buong Bangkok pero hindi na natin Malangga. This is the view. Yan ako. Ah, Bayok. Bayok. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. This the one building the police building?
Used to be, I don't think there's anyone. That's what most of it from.
Central Park. We have that in Makati. So this is Makati. Very good. Good evening people. Baby, I'm vlogging ha. Good evening people. Kakarating na namin dito guys. Dito kami sa ano, ang layo ng nilakad namin. Kaya dito muna kami ng isang gabi and then dilipat kami ng ibang hotel. So kapoy. Buhat kaninang umaga hanggang ngayon lang kami nakarating dito sa Bangkok mga langga. So that is for today's video. Mag-upload na lang tayo next time. Towel?
Yeah.
Did you take a bath?
Yeah.
Oh, here's. Okay. So, mo lang to mga langga. Ayan muna ang ating video for today. Today's trip. So, mo lang to mga langga. We're going out.
Are we?
Huh?
I don't know. Depends if we feel like it or not. We'll grab something to eat for sure. We can just go to halfway down the block
Okay.
in one of those restaurants.
Okay. So, ulit yung mga langga. Maghilamos lang ako dahil grabe. Pawis na pawis kami. Naglalakad kami mula dun sa kung saan kami dinrap. Tapos naglakad kami ng sobrang layo. Baby, you still have a soap to your kilikili?
So soap?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Just
Quit.
look at your kilikili. There's a soap.
Okay. Whatever. I'll just wipe it off. Relax. And you're not speaking English.
That's why you have to, you have to learn Tagalog.
No, never gonna happen.
Oh, siya. See you later mga langga.